Hi, I'm Burt True with the law firm True and Associates. If you're hit by a drunk driver, the bar can be liable, or the drunk's employer. The Missouri Court of Appeals recently clarified the law on an area called negligent entrustment. Negligent entrustment says that a company can be liable when it allows a person, typically an employee, to use property, typically a motor vehicle, even though the company should have known that the person was incompetent. So if a company knows that an employee gets drunk at work and then drives the company van, then the company can be liable for negligent entrustment when the employee hurts someone with the van. Here's the twist. In a recent Missouri Court of Appeals case called Hayes versus Royer, the person that the employee hurt was himself. This seems odd, but here's what happened. Hayes worked for Royer. Hayes often got drunk at work. Hayes drove Royer's company van. One day, Hayes drove the company van to a bar. He got drunk and then he drove the van toward his house. But he wrecked the van and he killed himself. So Hayes' child brought a lawsuit against Royer, and Royer argued that he cannot be responsible when the person who was hurt was himself the person who was negligent. The Missouri Court of Appeals disagreed. There were cases from other states that Royer was citing, but the Missouri Court of Appeals didn't listen to those cases from other states. The Missouri Court of Appeals said that the child can recover from Royer because Royer should have known that Hayes gets drunk at work and drives the company van. This type of situation doesn't come up much, but drunk drivers often hurt others on the road. I've seen many cases where drunks cause a wreck and they hurt or kill others, and then they themselves walk away uninjured. It makes me wonder if there's something about being drunk that helps them survive a bad wreck like that. In any event, if you or a family member are hit by a drunk driver, the insurance company will probably offer you a settlement and say, well, that's all you're going to get. But don't believe it. You should hire a lawyer to investigate whether the drunk's employer or the bar they drank at could be liable for what this drunk did to you. This could increase the amount of the claim manyfold. I'm Burt True with the law firm True and Associates. If you have a suggestion for a topic, please post it in the comments below. And if you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to my blog by email. Just click the link below that says subscribe by email. You can also connect and follow my blog using Google+. This will keep you updated with new posts to the blog. And if you want to discuss something in private, just click the Google Voice gadget below. You enter your telephone number and Google will connect us by telephone. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, get notifications of my new videos. And you can click the links on this video to view my law firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on wrongful death, personal injury, and medical malpractice topics. You can follow me on Twitter at BurtTrue and on Google Plus at BurtTrue. You'll get notice when I post a new video. I'm Burt True with True and Associates.